Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. In this video, let me show you the best active codes you can use right now in Archero 2. These codes are updated as of March 22 and should still be valid. First, open your browser and search for Archero 2 Redeem website. Once you're there, enter your user ID, the redemption code, and the verification code shown at the bottom. Remember, that code changes each time you hit redeem. Now, onto the rewards. There are 14 codes currently available, including St. Patrick's Day and A2 Discord, each giving free in-game items instantly delivered to your mail. Just copy and paste each code exactly as shown into the redeem form codes like this and more. It only takes a few seconds per code, and it's a great way to grab extra loot without spending a thing. Give them a try while they're still active. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.